So I'm going to be showing you how I do my edges using edge control, gel, and brushes. I'm going to start on bed hair, taking my gel, slicking it back, and then getting a brush and brushing it back. Once it's in a ponytail, I will get my edge control gel and make sure I pull down or brush down some of my edges, and then get the little brush and start to make it how I like, and just smooth the edges down and then brush it back. Then I'm getting these pieces of hair on the side and wrapping my edges down. Once I wait a few minutes, I'll unwrap it, and this is my final look. And I just try to fluff out my hair and just get my curls how I want them, shape my ponytail, and that's about it. Thanks for watching.